Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, our 10th chapter is going on, that is time. We are doing exercise 10A and today we will continue with question number 4 of exercise 10A. That is word problem. So children, let's start doing question number 4 and 5 of the same exercise. Afterwards, we will discuss some important points which are given in this chapter and which are very important for your examination also. So listen it very carefully and you all have to write those points in your classwork copy after completing exercise 10A. So children, first of all you will do question number 4 and 5 and then you will do those points which I will tell you. I will send you the picture of that also in your group so that you can copy it from there. So children, let's start doing the question. Question number 4. Arpan and Mohan went to see a match. They occupied their seats in the stand at 2 p.m. They moved out of the stadium at 10:30 p.m. How much time did Arpan and Mohan spend at the stadium? So let's first discuss the question. What is the question? Meaning of the question? Arpan and Mohan went to see a match. So they occupied their seats in the stand at 2 p.m. So from 2 p.m. they moved out of the stadium at 10:30 p.m. So from 2 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. they were in the stadium. So how much time did they both spend at the stadium? That we have to take it out. So solution, the time at which Arpan and Mohan reached the stadium, that is 2 p.m. They moved out of the stadium at 10:30 p.m. Now the time they spent at that stadium is from 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10 and 10 to 10:30. So from 2 to 4 there are 2 hours, 4 to 6 there are 2 hours, 6 to 8 there are 2 hours, 8 to 10 there are 2 hours. So from 10 to 10:30 there are 30 minutes. So 2 hours plus 2 hours plus 2 hours plus 2 hours plus 30 minutes. So how many total hours and minutes are there? 8 hours and 30 minutes they spent at the stadium. Clear? Now question number 5. Question number 5 is, Ria went to a seminar on safety on roads. The seminar started at 10:15 a.m. and was over by 1 p.m. Calculate the duration of the seminar. So what does the question means? First let us see. Ria went to a seminar on safety on roads. The seminar started at 10:15. There was a seminar which started at 10:15 a.m. and was over by 1 p.m. So what we have to calculate the duration of the seminar. So first Ria went to a seminar which started at 10:15 a.m. and was over by 1 p.m. So duration of the seminar is equal to 10:15 to 10:30, 10:30 to 11, 11 to 1. So 10:15 to 10:30 there are 15 minutes, 10:30 to 11 there are 30 minutes, 11 to 1 there are 2 hours. So let us add it. 2 hours plus 15 minutes plus 30 minutes. How many hours and minutes total? 2 hours and 45 minutes. The duration of this seminar. Now let us see the important points which I am going to explain you from this chapter. So let's see it. So these are the points. Days in a year according to the calendar. We have to learn some points which are given here in your book also. On page number 184 you can see, but you have to write these points in your copy because it can come in your examination. So let's see that days in a year. 1 year is equal to 365 days. It means there are 365 days in a year. 1 leap year is equal to 366 days. 7 days is equal to 1 week. One week is having 7 days, Sunday to Saturday. So 7 days is equal to 1 week. 2 weeks is equal to 1 fortnight. 52 weeks is equal to 1 year. It means in 1 year there are how many weeks? There are 52 weeks in a year. 12 months is equal to 1 year. 1 year is equal to 12 months. You know that also. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So these are the 12 months. So 4 weeks is equal to 1 month. 10 years is equal to 1 decade. In 1 month there are 4 weeks. In 10 years, so we say 10 years as 1 decade. Okay. Now we will see the smart maths which is given on page number 184. That also you have to do in your copy, in your homework. So first I will explain you, then you will do that in your classwork copy as your homework. So first question is 4:15 p.m. So from after 12 p.m. means after 12 noon, we count 1 as 13, 2 as 14, 3 as 15, 4 as 16. So 16, 1, 6, 15 hours will be there. Means 4:15 p.m. is equal to, in 24-hour clock, this is 12-hour clock and this one is 24-hour clock. So in 24 hours clock there will be 15 hours for 4:15 p.m. 11:25 a.m. it will be 11:25 hours. 9:20 p.m. it will be 21:20 hours. 9 will be changed to 21 in 24-hour clock. 3:50 p.m. there will be 15:50 hours. 12 midnight there will be 00:00 hours. 12:25 a.m. there will be 00:25 hours. Clear? So this how we have to do this question. There are some more questions here. 6:45 p.m. it will be 18:45 hours. 10:30 a.m. it will be 10:30 hours. 2:50 p.m. it will be 14:50 hours. 8 p.m. it will be 2:00 hours. So this how we are changing 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock time. So this you have to do in your homework, in your classwork copy. So that you have to do. Okay, this is your homework, and this important points and that those 2 word problems you have to do in your classwork. So I am sending the picture of it. You have to do all the things in your classwork copy. Thank you and have a nice day, children.